Greetings from beautiful Hisar here in Tajikistan. I'm just finishing up 3 days of visits. It's my second visit. I was here in May, and it's been another great opportunity to discuss the development opportunities in the country. Of course, we're still very much focused on responding to the implications of COVID-19. The World Bank has provided about $38 million to respond to COVID, and we're about to provide some more funds to Tajikistan to supply and deploy more vaccines. But it's also a great opportunity to look at what the country can do longer term. And for this, we have really focused on what are the key critical reforms that the country needs to undertake. And maybe I'll just share a few that I have found very interesting in our discussions. First of all, this country has a tremendous opportunity to deploy at a much greater scale, and perhaps even regionally, a green energy potential. So much hydro potential in this country that can be used for greater energy supply here in Tajikistan, but also to its neighbors. Secondly, this country, look at this place, has great potential for tourism. However, there's some binding constraints, and in some ways we experience them ourselves. The country needs to open up for competition in key areas like transport sector. And here I'm particularly focused on aviation. There needs to be easier ways to get to Tajikistan, quicker and with more options. Also, telecommunications and ICT, critical for tourist sector and for services. So here we are looking at discussing what changes need to be made to the telecommunications sector from a policy, legal and regulatory point of view to provide for a more level playing field, more competition and more services. We're excited about the reforms the government has made in adjusting its tax system. These now need to be fully implemented, starting with approval by the new tax code by the parliament. And finally, today I visited farmers. Agriculture is a very important sector here in Tajikistan, and we need to continue to provide farmers with funding so that they can innovate in new technologies, they can invest in new technologies, be more innovative, think about more efficient ways of using resources such as water, and be able to produce much more, sell more, including selling it throughout the year and not just when the harvest season is on. For this, it was great to see a cold storage facility, which is providing farmers to sell at a better price. Finally, I would also just say it's been wonderful to reconnect with our office here. Being able to see everyone who's working so hard in our own office as well as in the government to make changes and positive impact here in Tajikistan has just been heartwarming. And I already can't wait to come back to this wonderful country. Thank you.